Have you ever wondered what secrets lie hidden in the clouds of the Andes? What if I told you there's a place where history, mystery, and breathtaking beauty come together, creating one of the most awe-inspiring wonders of the world? Welcome to Machu Picchu, the lost city of the Incas. But was it ever truly lost? Perched high in the Peruvian mountains, this ancient city wasn't discovered by the outside world until 1911, when American explorer Hiram Bingham stumbled upon its ruins. But why was it built? And why was it abandoned? As we explore the winding stone paths, the terraces that seem to touch the sky, and the meticulously constructed temples, we begin to uncover a civilization deeply connected to its surroundings. The Incas didn't just build structures. They created a sanctuary that harmonized with the landscape, using advanced engineering techniques that still baffle experts today. But there's more to Machu Picchu than meets the eye. Some believe it was a royal estate, others a sacred religious site. And the mysteries don't stop there. Why was it deserted? Was it the Spanish conquest? Or did the Incas deliberately abandon their city to protect it from invaders? Imagine standing at the edge of the city, the sun rising behind the towering Huayna Picchu mountain, casting its golden light across the ancient ruins. The Incas called this place the city in the sky, and it's easy to see why. From this vantage point, you can almost feel the presence of those who once walked these paths, their footsteps echoing through time. Machu Picchu wasn't just any city. It was a marvel of architectural genius. The Incas built it without the use of iron tools or the wheel. Yet the stones fit together so perfectly that even a blade of grass can't slip between them. The city is divided into two main areas: the agricultural zone, with its extensive terraces, and the urban zone, where you'll find the temples, palaces, and plazas. One of the most fascinating structures is the Temple of the Sun, where the Incas worshipped Inti, their sun god. During the winter solstice, the sun's rays align perfectly with the temple's windows, a testament to the Incas' astronomical knowledge and their deep connection with nature. But Machu Picchu also holds its fair share of mysteries. The Intihuatana stone, often called the hitching post of the sun, is believed to have been used as a solar clock or calendar, though no one knows its true purpose for sure. And then there's the fact that this city, so meticulously planned and built, was left to the jungle for centuries. What compelled the Incas to leave behind their masterpiece? As we continue to explore, it's clear that Machu Picchu is more than just a set of ruins. It's a window into the soul of the Inca Empire, a civilization that thrived in harmony with its environment, leaving behind a legacy that continues to captivate us to this day. As you wander through the city, it's hard not to feel a sense of reverence. This wasn't just a place of residence, it was a spiritual center. The Incas believed that the mountains were sacred, and here, surrounded by these towering peaks, they constructed a city that embodied their connection to the gods. Take, for instance, the Sacred Plaza. This area is home to the principal temple, the Temple of the Three Windows, and the House of the Priest. Each structure was designed with precision, with stones that align perfectly with the cardinal points. The Incas were master stonemasons, and the scale of their work is a testament to their devotion. But there's more to Machu Picchu than its religious significance. The city also served as a hub of social and political life. The royal sector, with its finely crafted dwellings, housed the elite, priests, nobles, and perhaps even the Inca emperor himself. Here, decisions that shaped the future of the empire were made, all under the watchful eyes of the gods. And yet, for all its grandeur, Machu Picchu is also a place of mystery. How did the Incas, with no written language, manage to orchestrate the construction of such a complex city? How did they transport these massive stones up steep mountains without the use of wheels? These questions continue to puzzle historians and archaeologists alike. Then, there's the matter of Machu Picchu's rediscovery. When Hiram Bingham first set foot here in 1911, he was searching for the lost city of Vilcabamba. Instead, he uncovered a site that would become one of the most significant archaeological finds of the 20th century. But even Bingham's discovery was shrouded in mystery. Locals knew of the ruins, yet they had kept them hidden from the outside world for centuries. As we stand here today, Machu Picchu remains a place that defies explanation. It's a city that invites us to question, to explore, and to marvel at the ingenuity of a civilization that was both advanced and deeply spiritual. Imagine the bustling life that once filled these stone streets. The echoes of conversations in Quechua, the language of the Incas, would have reverberated off the walls as priests, nobles, and laborers went about their daily tasks. The terraces, now silent, were once vibrant with crops like maize and potatoes, staples that sustained not just the city, but the entire empire. The Incas were remarkable agriculturalists. The terraces of Machu Picchu are more than just visually stunning. They are a brilliant example of engineering. These terraces prevented landslides and erosion, ensuring the city's stability high in the mountains. But they also served another purpose. Each level created a microclimate, allowing the Incas to grow a variety of crops that wouldn't have thrived elsewhere. This innovation was key to the city's self-sufficiency. But life in Machu Picchu wasn't just about survival. It was about thriving in harmony with nature. The Incas had a deep respect for their environment, which is reflected in the way they constructed their city. Buildings were aligned with celestial events, such as solstices and equinoxes, allowing them to mark important dates in their agricultural and religious calendars. The alignment of structures like the Temple of the Sun and the Intihuatana stone shows the Incas' profound understanding of astronomy. Let's not forget the daily rituals that took place here. The Incas were a deeply spiritual people, believing in a world where the physical and spiritual realms were intertwined. They worshipped a pantheon of gods, with Inti, the sun god, at the center of their devotion. Ceremonies were held to honor these deities, seeking their blessings for bountiful harvests, protection, and prosperity. The rituals were elaborate, involving offerings of food, textiles, and sometimes even sacrifices, all aimed at maintaining harmony between the Incas and the natural world. But amidst all this reverence and ritual, life in Machu Picchu also had a more human side. There were moments of joy and celebration, where music and dance filled the air. The Incas used instruments made from animal bones, shells, and wood to create music that resonated with the rhythm of the earth. Festivals were held to celebrate the changing seasons, victories in battle, and important milestones in the lives of the people. As the day would draw to a close, the people of Machu Picchu might gather to watch the sunset, the same sun they revered as a god dip behind the mountains. This was a time of reflection, of connection with the ancestors who had come before them, and a preparation for the challenges and blessings that the next day would bring. Machu Picchu was more than just a city. It was a living, breathing testament to the ingenuity, spirituality, and resilience of the Inca civilization. Even today, as we walk through its ruins, we can still feel the presence of those who once called this place home. And as we reflect on the life that once thrived here, we are reminded that Machu Picchu is not just a relic of the past, but a symbol of human achievement and the enduring connection between people and their environment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.